When you have literally miles of carpet to clean, you need carpet cleaning equipment that is highly productive and effective, is easy to use, and is tough and durable enough to withstand the rigors of daily use. The Supernova two-way self-contained carpet extractor from EDIC combines user-friendly features like the unique two-way cleaning system with brush assist drive, high-performance components like the dual vacuum system for optimum water and soil recovery, and the sound dampening system for quiet operation. Some smart engineering features include the dual-wheel system for maneuverability and transport, and the lift-off recovery tanks for easy dumping. All these industry-only features combine to deliver an effective carpet cleaning solution that is ideal for hotels and motels, airports, office buildings, schools, and any facility that has a substantial amount of carpeted floors to maintain. The wide 19-inch dual vacuum head design not only delivers high productivity, but also allows you to effectively recover water and soil when cleaning in both directions. Both vacuum shoes have built-in glides for smooth operation on any carpet. The Chevron-style brush provides superior agitation and drive assist, and the patented self-leveling design optimizes contact of brush and vacuum shoes on any type of carpet pile. The Supernova is the only self-contained extractor in the industry with a two-way cleaning system to effectively clean carpet in both directions. The two-way system is controlled by a convenient lever on the handle of the machine. This not only switches suction to the appropriate vacuum shoe, but also switches the direction of the brush for brush assist drive in both directions, making this extractor very easy to move. The Supernova has a twist-lock power cord, so you can drop the power cord during cleaning for a quick trip to empty the machine. The patented lift-off recovery tanks make emptying the Supernova simple. You can easily transport the machine to the dump site and then remove the recovery tanks without the need to transport the entire machine into a bathroom or janitor's closet to dump wastewater. The Supernova has easy two-screw access to the well-organized equipment bay for service and maintenance. Inside the equipment bay, you will notice a very clean design with easy access to the brush motor, high-quality copper tubing connecting all the solution components, a 50 psi solution pump for cleaning power, a unique intercooler system that reduces heat from the vacuums, and the industry's only self-contained extractor with dual two-stage vacuums that provide unmatched water recovery and are mounted upright for long life. There's also a built-in sound dampening system to help keep the extractor quiet. For maneuverability, the Supernova has an adjustable handle to accommodate the operator's height. A patented four-wheel design provides the Supernova with a sharp turning radius for operating in tight areas. Control switches are watertight and conveniently located on the handle of the machine for easy operation. The cleaning activation buttons activate the brush agitation and solution spray. Without the buttons pressed by the operator, the agitator brush and solution spray stops, protecting the operator from accidentally wearing a spot in the carpet or over-wetting when they step away from the machine. You can activate cleaning with either your left or your right hand. With the large 12-gallon solution capacity of the Supernova 1200 PSN and a wide 19-inch cleaning path, the Supernova can clean up to 6,000 square feet per hour. The Supernova is designed with a wide extension on the vacuum and brush head. This gives you the ability to clean right up to the baseboard or wall, making the machine highly functional. For cleaning carpet in tighter spaces, the Supernova comes standard with built-in onboard power to connect the optional PowerMate power wand to the machine for detailing small spaces that you would normally need an additional machine for. The PowerMate provides brush agitation in a lightweight carpet wand for superior carpet cleaning performance. Order the optional hose assembly and hand tools to quickly clean upholstery or stairs with the Supernova for ultimate functionality in one machine. Start simplifying the carpet cleaning process in your facility with the Supernova. For pricing and availability, contact your EDIC representative today.